Hi guys, Nick here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today, we're going to talk about the Misaki Rejuvenating Facial Set. So ito siya guys. Pag amoy nyo pa lang, the Misaki Rejuvenating Set is, ang bango niya, strawberry. Strawberry yung amoy niya. And itong Misaki Rejuvenating Set, guys, ito yung packaging niya. Before tayo magdal-dal-dalan, so before anything else, we're going to talk about the packaging. Today, alam nga naman, if harap ako sa inyo na, nagkilay naman ako. And then, kilay at lip tint lang yan. A little bit of, hint lang. Going back, so about Misaki Rejuvenating Set, guys, it retails at 350 pesos. So, meron akong ilalagay na link on the description box dun sa main nila na account for if you want to order, you can directly message them sa FB page nila. Ang link nasa description box, okay? And then, again, regarding sa packaging, ang gustong-gusto ko lang, pag first na nakikita ko siya, it's really I really love Japanese culture and I really love their geisha. Parang geisha, tapos super pretty girl. Nakalagay dito, Misaki Rejuvenating Set. Your beauty is our duty. And then, it comes from Supladita. So, shout out pala. Super amazed ako sa babaeng ito. Si Supladita yung owner ng Misaki kasi she's really doing great on her craft. Merong makikita dito sa likod, directions on how to use. Merong nighttime at saka daytime use. So, iba-iba yung nighttime at daytime use, guys. Mamaya-maya, I'm going to explain it to you kung paano ko siya ginamit. Nakalagay din dito, Misaki Rejuvenating Facial Set, Rejuvenate, is a cosmetic treatment or series of cosmetic treatments which aims to restore our youthful appearance. Okay. To the human face. Facial rejuvenate can be achieved through Misaki Rejuvenating Facial Set. It is being formulated from the latest Japan technology for skincare ingredients. Is being studied and tested to heal different skin problems like wrinkles, dark spots, signs of aging, reduce breakouts, hyperpigmentation, oilness that can produce, lightens melasma and blemishes, acne, pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads, and even removing dead skin by means of exfoliation, sunscreen that can help you protect it from UV rays to achieve youthful and pinkish glowing skin. Okay. So, a little bit background, guys. Yung pinapakita ko sa inyo kanina, yun dito ko, ito, ang laki na pimples na to, ito. And nag-healed out na siya. So, as you can see, meron siyang, sa packaging niya, merong laman na, sunscreen, premium sunscreen SPF 35. Meron ding rejuvenating cream. Merong Misaki Rejuvenating Toner. And the Misaki Kojic Acid Soap. So, kung paano ko ginamit yung Misaki Rejuvenating Set, iba-iba kasi. Yung nighttime, iba yung waist ko, and then, during daytime. Sa nighttime, first ay yung soap, sinasabon ko siya, and I lather it sa hands ko, and then ilalather ko rin siya sa face ko. Sorry for that. So, after that, after na akong mag-soap, ginagamit ko yung Misaki Toner. Yung Misaki Toner, first, use mo siya. Honestly, hindi pa siya mahapde. Nung third day, fourth day, doon na siya humapdi sa face ko. Morning guys, this is the fourth day of using the Misaki soap and Rejuvenating Set. So far, meron siyang micropeeling na nangyayari. And last night, nung ginamit ko yung soap at saka yung toner, super hapdi na niya. Pagkatapos ng toner, ginagamit ko lang siya, dab-dab ko lang yun sa face ko kasi ayaw kong parang scrub. Pero kung ganun man gusto nyo, pero for me, I use it as on a dabbing motion sa face ko, all over my face and neck as well. And then, yun naman, pagkatapos ng lahat ng yon, after the soap, rejuvenating toner, after that, I will be using the rejuvenating cream. So, yung rejuvenating cream, nilalagay ko lang siya on a very small amount, and then dab-dab ko lang siya sa mga areas na like forehead, sa nose, dito sa cheeks, and then i-spread ko siya just like if you're going to use a moisturizer or any creams on your face. And then, minamassage ko siya ng konti lang. And after that, yun na. Tapos na yung nighttime routine ko. So, sa daytime naman, I usually use the soap again. And then, after that, yun lang, hindi ako gumagamit ng rejuvenating toner kasi good for me na nighttime ko lang yun kasi you will be out of the sun and for me, hindi siya advisable. And then, nag-consult din ako kay Sis Maylene, which is the owner of Sapladita, the owner of Misaki Products. I texted them via Messenger. They're very friendly and they can answer all your queries on the spot. And sinabi nila na it's better to use it during nighttime kasi you're resting and everything. So, beauty rest. So, during the day, ang ginagawa ko lang, in-advise din to ni Sis Maylene na soap, pagkatapos ng soap, sunscreen. Yung Misaki na sunscreen. As you can see, yung sunscreen premium nila, yung SPF 35, is paubos na talaga yung sa akin, guys. If you can see it sa video, paubos na siya kasi I super love it. And then, yes, that's how I use my Misaki Rejuvenating Set. And let's go sa mga pros and cons and ano yung hindi ko nagustuhan or nagustuhan ko rin. So, let's start from the things that I really love the most. Ang nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya, if you can see na yung soap nila, pinuputol-putol ko siya kasi nagustuhan ko siya and meron ako magustuhan, parang pinuputol ko ang products para hindi naman sayang yung iba mawi-wet. So, yung small portion lang, kinakat ko and then, ginagamit ko yun paunti-unti para hindi naman sayang. Pero minsan natitempt ako, ginagamit ko siya sa whole body ko, face and body. And then after, kasi gusto ko yung scent niya at the same time, it's really working on my face. And on the third day, a little bit, mahapde, pero so far na parang paglagay ko ng sunscreen, na naman siya, parang na-rehydrated. Yung toner, first to second day, hindi siya masakit. But then, on the third and fourth day, mahapdi na siya. Honestly, meron na siyang nagpipiling effect na yung fourth day ko na use. So, yung first, second, wala pa. Yung third, meron konti. Yung fourth day, nagpipil na siya. Hindi naman siya talagang sobrang peeling, pero micro-peeling yung nangyayari. So, yung toner lang naman is pang nighttime. So, that's the main reason why ginagamit ko siya ng nighttime. And then, yung gusto ko sa kanya, mga 50% dahil lang dun sa okay. Hindi naman ako loob, guys. Naglalagay ng sama ng loob. Pero, let's move on to our Rejuvenating Cream. It really helps renew dead skin cells. I know that a toner exfoliates, but without the rejuvenating cream during at night, maybe the whole set will not be effective because you really need the rejuvenating cream. And wala naman hindi siya mabaho. Okay lang siya gamitin. Smooth nga siya. Super creamy. And lastly, ang gustong super love ko is yung sunscreen. I don't know, I really love this one. Sometimes, if normal lang na aalis ako sa bahay or for daily, I just use this one, sunscreen, and then just like this, parang kilay lang. Tapos, after the sunscreen, kasi yung sunscreen kasi nila, parang, hindi naman siya powder finish, pero matte finish siya na para bang okay na kahit hindi ka mag-foundation. And then, ang gusto ko sa kanya is, para talagang ang smooth ng face mo, parang gusto mo na lang hindi mag-makeup. Naglagay lang nga, today nga, ginamit ko yung kilay lang, tapos para naman hindi ako parang super pale, naglagay ako ng lip tint na konti, at saka dito pang pinkish lang. So, I'm on my 5th day of use. So far, meron pang micro-peeling na nagaganap. So, gagamitin ko to until the 9th day. So, honestly guys, nagamit ko na to ng second set na to, kasi the time that I made a review for this on the first try, nag-staycation ata kami, or nag-staycation kami, and I wasn't able to bring this one. Nakalimutan ko talaga siya, guys. So, na-skip ko siya ng pag-apply for 2 days. But, unfair naman if i-continue ko siya sa inyo, sasabihin ko 5th day, 6th day, tapos hindi ko pala nagamit on the 5th and 2nd day. So, ang ginawa ko, pinarest ko muna yung face ko ng 1 week, and then bumalik ako ng gamit ng Misaki. That's it for my thought for Rejuvenating Facial Set. Super, I really love. Sana meron silang, i-ask ko pa sila if meron silang separate na binibenta na sunscreen, kasi bet ko talaga yung sunscreen after this, kasi after this kailangan talaga magpahinga muna ang face mo, kailangan gamitin mo the whole year. Hindi naman siguro pwede. Mga 1 month of use, tapos rest lang yung face nyo. And then, gusto ko talagang i-continue yung sunscreen. After this, mga 1 month of use, rest mo ng face ko, and then balik na naman ako. Kasi, ngayon nga lang, if 6 days, kasi yesterday, when we went to the school sa anak ko, because kumuha kami ng Form 137 for the transfer, sinabi ko sa husband ko, okay lang ba yung face ko? Wala akong makeup. Sabi niya, gusto ko yung face mo ngayon. It's makeup free, but I love it. Para daw hindi klaradong may blemishes, para rin akong nag-makeup ng konti. So, sabi ko, sure. Para bang nag-blooming, charot. So, yun na guys. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, I will never forget you guys. And, kasi love ko kayo. I will be giving away this Misaki set to one of the lucky subscribers. So, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel and comment down below your IG account. Okay? Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now. See you soon. Sarang eh.